Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a seemingly simple but incredibly vital piece of gear for any Alesis Nitro Mesh 8-piece electronic drum set DM7X owner. The Gytech 6-foot USB cord data sync cable. You might think it's just a cable, but as any musician or tech enthusiast knows, the right cable can make all the difference in your setup's performance and reliability. This Gytech cable is designed as the perfect link between your Alesis Nitro Mesh kit and your computer or other compatible devices. It's a 6-foot USB 2.0 Type A male to Type B male connection, standard for many peripherals, including electronic drum modules. The generous 6-foot length is a huge plus, offering ample flexibility in arranging your studio or practice space without constantly repositioning your drum kit or computer. No more struggling with short, restrictive cables. A standout feature of this Gytech cord is its high-speed data transfer capability. As a USB 2.0 cable, it boasts speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. For drummers recording MIDI data, triggering software instruments, or updating firmware, this speed is absolutely crucial. It ensures your drumming dynamics and timing are accurately captured without noticeable latency or dropped notes, providing a seamless and professional recording experience. It's also fully backwards compliant with older USB 1.1 and 1.0 devices, covering all your connection needs. Beyond speed, durability, and signal integrity are paramount. Gytech has equipped this cable with corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors. This isn't just for aesthetics. Gold plating significantly improves conductivity and prevents signal degradation, ensuring a cleaner, more reliable connection for years. Complementing this, the cable features foil shielding. This shielding acts as a barrier against electromagnetic interference, keeping your data transfer free from noise and signal loss, especially important in a studio environment with multiple electronic devices. While the product description highlights its versatility for keyboards, scanners, and printers, its application for the Alesis Nitro Mesh DM7X truly shines for our audience. It provides that robust, dependable connection essential for serious drumming and music production. The black color is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with most studio setups. In essence, the Gytech 6-foot USB cord isn't just a generic cable. It's a purpose-built solution offering superior performance, durability, and convenience for your Alesis electronic drum set. Investing in a quality cable like this means less frustration, more reliable data syncs, and ultimately, a better creative workflow. It's a small component that plays a massive role in the overall functionality of your electronic drumming setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.